Hello. How to install this extruder cable? Somebody say, "Oh, look, the extruder cable is loose. It's hanging in the air." But actually, we have the special design to hide it. Okay. So once you have get this out of the base, insert it into the this rail. You can see the rail, the hole. This rail is exactly the same size like the cable, so you can well hide the cable inside. By this way, you can see. Yeah, from the side you can see. Once we have inserted the cable, it's really invisible for the extruder, and you insert the cable into your extruder. It's easy, neat, and durable for printing. Thank you for your watching.